232.217. Train brake tests conducted using yard air. A. When a train brake system is tested from a yard air source, an engineer's brake valve or a suitable test device shall be used to provide any increase or reduction of brake pipe air pressure at the same or slower rate as an engineer's brake valve. B. The yard air test device must be connected to the end of the train or block of cars that will be nearest to the controlling locomotive. However, if the railroad adopts and complies with written procedures to ensure that potential overcharge conditions to the train brake systems are avoided, the yard air test device may be connected to other than the end nearest to the controlling locomotive.
C. Except as provided in this section, when yard air is used, the train air brake system must be charged and tested as prescribed by 232.205C, and when practicable, should be kept charged until road motive power is coupled to the train, after which a Class 3 brake test shall be performed as prescribed by 232.211. 1. If the cars are off air for more than 24 hours, the cars shall be retested in accordance with 232.205C through F.
The Class 1 test. At a minimum, yard air pressure shall be 60 psi at the end of the consist or block of cars opposite from the yard test device and shall be within 15 psi of the regulator valve setting on yard test device. 3. If the air pressure of the yard test device is less than 80 psi, then a brake pipe leakage or airflow test shall be conducted at the operating pressure of the train when the locomotives are attached in accordance with 232.205C1. D. Mechanical yard air test devices and gauges shall be calibrated every 92 days. Electronic yard test devices and gauges shall be calibrated annually. Mechanical and electronic yard air test devices and gauges shall be calibrated so that they are accurate to within plus or minus 3 psi. E. If used to test a train, a yard air test device and any yard air test equipment shall be accurate and function as intended.